You're wrong for come trouble the general, and we never did that trouble you. Teach them, tell them. Come look up before upper class. Come look up before upper class. Me tell them teach them the yes, it are the boss. Tell them general before upper class. Teach them for upper class. I tell them about the general me they bad bit bad and all of them. Tell them teach them. Yes, we have to reach them. When you come to the mic and come to the silent, come to the rhythm and think say teach them the yes, we have to crown king but the general up on them mic attack until the morning because we bad. Teach them. I saw the music, I reach them once. Straight up, you see it? Check it.
I am here vibing with one of the real sound killers and stage performers in the entertainment industry. His parents named him Claudius Douglas, but we know him as...
Bonnie General, man. Original. You see it?
Father General.
Yeah, man. Bless up every
All
time.
is well, sir?
So near.
So near. Give thanks, give thanks.
Ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo. Good morning, people. Long time teach them reach here.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father Bunny, I say all is well?
Yeah, man. Everything good, great, and up to date, man.
Mad thing. Talk to us, though. Place, early life, place of birth.
Yeah, Clarendon, you know?
It's a Clarendon,
yeah? Man. Born a years Clarendon and grew up in a Maypen town, there, so.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Born East Clarendon, grew up in Maypen.
Yeah, man.
How many brothers and sisters?
Well, the brother them take hard for count them. You know, 6 of them my mother have, but my father go hard out the road there.
Yeah?
Yeah, me have all brother I don't know.
Any sisters?
Yeah, man. Me have 2 sisters, man. One of them older than me and one younger than me.
Okay, but the brother them enough?
Yeah, man. The brother them enough. 6 boys my mother have. Man.
Yes, and the ones that you know, the siblings that you know, they're still around?
Yeah, man. Them still around.
Give thanks, man. Mommy and daddy still around?
No, sir.
Mommy Chada and daddy Chada. And my condolences, brother.
Tell your brethren.
Yes. Where did you attend school, though?
I went to school at Clarendon, you know, Maypen Secondary, Maypen Primary.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So that was it for schooling?
Yeah.
You mentioned that mommy had 6 boys.
Yeah.
Right, but daddy have all of people out there. How many of you actually grew up in the same household?
6 of us.
6 of you?
Yeah.
What was it like growing up, though, from a financial perspective?
Well, it's like... Never did too good, you know. Because mother never have it like that, you know. My mother was one of them ladies that were grown and wash people clothes and all of them things there, you know what I'm saying? And me make changes in the house.
You make changes?
Yeah, me was the black sheep where I go dance all and get beaten for go dance every minute when I go in my school uniform and come back. Whole heap of beating me get for that.
But you're out
there. Yeah, so me now come out to nothing, you know.
Yes. Rough life?
Yeah, man. Rough life,
Mommy
man.
And daddy had it
in a some way, but me was one of the youth when I stay home still, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
So mommy and daddy was there, it was just mommy?
Just mommy, man.
So what daddy did at them time, the bunny?
Daddy there over film side with film wife and them thing there, man. Over film side, you know.
Yeah. So daddy over film part, mommy over fair part.
Yeah, but even though my father wasn't in the household, my father sent on my money still.
Oh, I'm still sure.
Yeah, man. Him send on my food, man. Can't blame him for nothing.
Yes.
Him buy the chicken and the mutton. Yeah,
what type of child were you growing up, though, buddy?
Well, I'm a youth where fidgety, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. All over the place, me there. When it come to music, track and field.
Oh, you used to be an athlete?
Yeah, because I did little and maga, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. The youth them used to say, well, I'm trippy. Because I tell them I'm maga. Maga, slim youth.
Yes.
You understand what I say? When I go to school, you have a youth named Ansel Edwards, right? Anytime break time, I'm always in there with 2 sticker beat. The drum and me I sing and a DJ. Because I start out to sing Michigan and Smiley them songs, you know.
Oh.
On stage and everywhere.
And how old were you at that time, though?
That time they mean I'm a teens, man.
Yeah,
like,
teens.
Yeah, like 15, 16.
So Michigan and Smiley were the early inspiration?
Yeah, man. Remember, say 70s them boss, you know.
Yes.
You understand? 70s.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I used to sing about them song them on stage and them thing there. So I used to get whole heap of like a concert, but I just Michigan and Smile them song
yeah,
they used to sing. You understand? Until the record, that's me start write some song for myself.
Ah.
You know what I'm saying?
While still in school or you had
yeah, while
school?
Still in school. Because I used to leave school with my knapsack on my back and go a dance, go DJ and come home, come take the beating in the morning. And then beat me Figure and say, anyway, I'm going to go back, them will kill me. I'm just go back the other week or DJ same way.
More beaten.
Yeah, so I get my first break after one clash between me and Supercat.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's my get first
Talk
break.
to me about that though.
Me and Supercat clash for $2,000. I know say $2,000 them time there.
Enough money.
About $5 million now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because not the 10 cents for
Yeah,
bread,
wow.
my youth, 8 cents for a pound of flour. You understand? 10 cents for a tin of milk. So when you have $2,000,
You're balanced.
you're rich. Come my mother buy a piece of land out of it and bank your rest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're still in school?
Yeah.
Me and second there.
Yeah, man.
So how that thing they come
the
about?
name Apache Cat.
Apache Cat.
Yeah. Can the name Cataract first?
Yeah?
Apache Cat to Super Cat. So when me and him clashed, I tell you, so that clash there was very terrible. Because one night time, I feel like my DJ my baddest song and get the biggest forward. Cat come DJ one song after that and bust the place same way. So you know me need them start give way. Yeah, come and say, what is now, man? Because I think the last song that them say. And I say, come DJ 2 song, him DJ 2 and him bust the place, me bust the place. Then they ask the crowd and the crowd hold up their hand for Cat, the crowd hold up their hand for me.
Thing tie.
So they say, boy, we have to go DJ one more song. I say, one more song, I wonder which part me have that one they put on. Was like quick thinking,
Yes.
build lyrics on spot. I just start DJ about the whole of the area them where they in a Clarendon and the whole of the top man them.
Yeah. You remember the song?
No, sir.
Oh, you don't remember it?
Head top lyrics, man.
Yeah.
Head top lyrics.
Place
was
boss.
a DJ. What do you? Cat couldn't find nothing
No
after
answer.
that. Cat couldn't find nothing after that, Rasta.
How that clash they come about though? How you end up doing that clash then?
It was a brother named Patron from Clarendon who owned Charlene Vibration.
Oh, cool.
He was the one that put on the clash. You understand? So a lot of artists enter and drop out and everything there.
So
You know what I'm saying?
early on you got through until you reach down there.
Yeah.
You woke up on the Cat.
Yeah, and buck up on the Cat, man. Because me and Cat used to DJ on like the same sound and everything there.
Yeah, okay.
Round and round the
Round.
place. You know what I'm saying?
So you said that clash there now are your first big taste
Yeah,
of the
because
music
when I
that?
go home, I go get beaten in the morning when me go home. My mother, they behind the door because it was about 3:30. I reach home in my school uniform. So you know my mother, not sleep.
Yes.
She up and waiting for me. So when the door pull, you know me I go in nervous, say she'll kill me with beating. And when she let me in and lock back the door, she hold me in my shirt, take off the knapsack, because she don't want the knapsack for
You have to go back to school. Yeah. Oh, take off some of my leg.
get everything. So my next brother already the name Tony, I said, Mama, no beat him, man. Find out where I come from. Because Tony know which part I go.
Oh, Tony know where you go.
Yeah. But Tony go home early, go sleep. But Tony feel like seminar go win the clash.
Oh.
$2,000. Yo. When I win that the clash night and the man them count out the whole heap of $20 them. Okay, $20 the biggest
Yes,
money.
them time there.
Yeah, them count out the whole heap of $20 them and pack them up and push them in my pocket. So then carry me through the back door a Crown Theatre. Run at the back and put me in a vehicle. And I see the vehicle just drop me a little bit up the road. Then that's where I carry me from.
Yeah,
so
so
I walk, I go home at night and some man bust and shut off and when I reach down a Jack Monday.
Yeah?
Yeah, right. Cross this stuff, you take the money. But them never have to bust and shut. All them have to say, youth, we have gone, give you the money.
You didn't give them and take
I give them,
yourself.
but the speed when me take off it when them bust the shot, them couldn't get the money. Come feel like I'm running for all the shot.
Yes.
Yeah,
So when your
man.
brother tell your mother to ask you,
Yeah, my
where
mother
you come
said,
from, you know?
where you come from? And I said, Mama, don't nobody beat me. I want clash, I go in a Clarendon and I win $2,000. I say, what you say you do? You know, my mother, my brother drive the car, carry me back in our town and me pen to go find out where
you
me get
the
so
money
much
from.
money from. Because I saw my mother say, you know,
principal
can't carry
woman.
nothing. Where she don't know about and she tell you to fling it out a gate.
So even though the thing never up financially, mommy still not take no check. You think
Nah,
I
take
above
no
board.
check. She no business. She carry me back up the star. I never want to go in at the crowd. Because the crowd wait for me to come out to share the money. So I just left the money on my yard.
Yeah.
And go back up there and I miss a chin. I say, if you stop beat the boy, man. You have beat the boy so much, man. And the people them love him. A bad artist, you know. Love him make him eat food, man. And he said, Mr. Chin, a year and me left for me in a response for him. You know. So Mr. Chin started come pick me up. Because him have a big sound. And I see him drop
What
me
was the
off
name of that sound?
Charlene Vibration.
Charlene Vibration. Oh, yes, you said that earlier. Charlene Vibration.
But my first little sound I start out on is a little sound named Rockin' Saint.
Rockin' Saint.
Yeah, that soldier brother did
Me a pen sound?
Yeah. Then I left go DJ El Ringo from down Chapperton, Summerfield area.
Yes. So what, you moved to that area, you just left from me pen to
DJ
and go back home?
And then drop me back home and time already.
The El Ringo?
El Ringo.
El Ringo.
Yeah,
okay.
El Ringo.
Yes.
Yeah, then we start DJ a sound named Sturmars.
Big Sturmars.
No. Them time they are the Otar them own Sturmars song.
Oh.
The Otar them, the Indian them. With a brother named Goldfinger played.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So when me left Sturmars go to Cosmic Force, me say Sturmars build up big. And I check out them I say, no, Skengdan buy out this, you know. And Skengdan own it, you know.
Oh, so you were there before Skengdan took ownership of the song?
Yeah, and I was there when Skengdan.
So you went back?
Yeah, Skengdan. Me no must go back. So me and Ricky Tuffy, we did it on a youth named Cutty Ranks.
Cutty Ranks.
Yeah.
Obama.
Yeah, man. Big bad Cutty Ranks, man. Yeah, man. Wicked DJ. Yeah, man. Tough artist, man. We did this until them start sending for Super Cat and all of them other artists that start coming in. You understand?
Boro and the works.
Yeah, so I just go to Cosmic Force star.
Oh, so
because a two top man want a two song.
Okay.
You understand? So me know me had the king pan Cosmic Force sound.
So that was your permanent sound for a while?
Yeah, until you have Junior Cat and them youth they come. And Junior Cat come across me first, him name Dax.
Dax, yes.
Dax him name. So me always I say, come in Junior Cat. And him I say, he's a Bonnet General, done with the cat thing, you know, Dax my name, you know. And I say, which Dax? So me keep a dance and I put Junior Cat on the dance. On the poster. And him come see it and him cuss and go on bad. So him go to Junior Demos, I said, Demos. Tell Bonnie General, say, Dax my name, and then the Jonah Cat the thing, and Jonah Demos say, hey, you can talk about it. Yeah, doctor. Live with the Jonah Cat, man, that's you for work with. Yeah, Dr. Bridget. So I saw him just stay with the Jonah Cat. And me give him the name then.
Yes.
Yeah. Change him name from Dax. And him brother named Super Cat.
Jonah Cat.
Jonah Cat, yeah, man.
So that was Cosmic Force days?
Cosmic Force days, yeah, man.
After Cosmic Force, you work with any other son?
Yeah, man. King Jammies, man.
Oh, you're growing up, you end up at Jammies.
And that, become DJ Creation son, because Papa son, them come for me. Become DJ upon Creation with him.
Yes.
So it's like Creation and King Jammies clash in a Chelsea Jerk Center. Where me go and bad the night, then the next day, Jammies me say, want to find me. Because theme sound we dealing with it. Yes, yeah, so we end up a DJ Creation and Jammies sound. In between the time. Gemini, them come from the same way. Me a DJ Gemini sound.
So you start with Rockin' Saint,
yeah,
then you go El Ringo, Sturmars, Cosmic Force,
Sturmars, Cosmic Force.
Cosmic Force again.
And from Cosmic Force, go straight to Creation.
Creation.
Yeah, and then Creation
Jammies.
King Jammies. Yeah, Gemini, all of them.
Then Gemini.
Yeah, man.
But you work on the whole like big sound them
all
time,
the big sound them, when them have special dance, them send for me, rehearse if a war, them I go.
Yes.
Them I say, Bonnie, we have a war next week, you know, why you come work the sound, you know. Yeah.
Which sound experience was your favorite though? Of all the sounds we work on?
Cosmic Force.
Why?
You see, we have a team, a Cosmic Force, where we all have it together. The team was just right, Bridget. You know what I'm saying?
Who was with you at Cosmic Force at the time? Anybody with name now?
Yeah, man. Jonah Cat.
Jonah Cat, yes. Jonah did come in, yes.
Was there with me, you know? Yeah, man. Papa San.
Papa San.
Yeah.
So San was at Cosmic and at Creation?
And at Creation.
So I'm left Cosmic or Creation or how that
no,
go?
we DJ the two songs.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
So them time there, sound clash with sound clash itself.
Yeah.
Man I got DJ sound and man a DJ sound clash. Big something in a
whole heap of clash we're going on.
Zane, you would have clash.
Yeah, but
big
me and the war.
Yeah, war machine.
Yeah, on the sound. And me start the war them if the war them are going like them no want to start. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah, back in the days.
But I want DJ give me trouble throughout my career still, you know. And I always talk about him. General Trees.
You know, Bourbon and tell me the same thing.
Trees are the only man.
You say cheese hard to go around.
Everybody else will walk in my way, man.
You rub them out.
Problem them end up in, man. Alright, enough time I have clash and major DJ them for the sound, them don't come.
Them a hide from you.
Them not come when them here say me and Son did it.
Then they afraid I son.
Yeah, man. And Son wasn't really a tracing DJ.
Yeah.
Son where the lyrics is concerned up till today day, I don't find no DJ. The DJ the amount of lyrics them with Papa Son DJ.
Nobody.
Up till today. The closest a cartel and I just close him go.
Just close and go.
Yeah, because one of Papa Son song, a 20 a cartel song.
So you really have to play over and over and over.
Yeah, when the rhythm play all 5 times and Son no repeat nothing.
And on one song,
And
what
one
lyrics
song
that?
my DJ. Yeah, man. One song in my DJ. Man did have one lyrics on your mother cussing. All when you read him done, you hear the mother cuss. She said the bed no spread on the sheet there. And for man nothing never done. Plate no watch on the partner's cover. And for man you sit down in here. Take up the broom and take up the yard and take up the bone and give to the dog. When you're done, go study your book, you do it a rope. But a man, you look to your body for you looking so young. That's why. All when you read him done, you hear the mother trace the daughter. Papa Son.
Yeah.
And the baddest thing ever walk in a dance hall.
Yes. So you said trees are the man where you
Trees,
can't go around.
I'm not me alone if every man fit talk the truth. Let me tell you, say trees walk on everybody.
Bourbon and tell me say
Trees
I biggest
walk
thing in
up
come
on
cross.
everybody in a dance hall. No care where you want name, just start the truth.
Yes. You can remember any particular clash where you and trees go at it.
Why, all of the clash, me and him clash, you know. Me and him go at it. You talk about that? Me and trees clash already, you know, Bridget. The first time me and him a clash, I tell you, I go on wicked because I trace the brother, you know. Me never know, so the man live at Jerusalem. So me go Jerusalem one day, I want studio, left country, because country me live. And I go around and I see some youth come out of one lane and look for me. And run back in that lane. And I see trees come out and say, so I look for me and some man come say, hey boy. You did that this the artist down a country the other day, hey boy. For nowhere. I look so, and I said, which way am I for run? Because then you run, them can't run.
You can't hold you. Yeah.
And I did it and trees just say, know yourself, man. You're good, man. You're a bad artist still, you know. I rate you for that stuff, but you have to stop the tracing, brethren. You can't stop that, man. You're mad, man. I love that like crazy. In a dance all them time. But trees are the maddest thing I buck up on.
Outside of trees, anybody else ever used to give you any hard push, hard fight?
Trees and trees again.
Just general trees.
Yeah, man. Trees are the only man me say me can tell you about will give me problem throughout my career in a dancer.
Yes.
But one night we hold him in a Grangeville Skateland still in
So like a Westmoreland that.
Yeah, hold him a Grangeville Skateland and me and son plan for him. We build one bag of combination and whole heap of things for him. And when him see we deal with the 2 round wicked, the next round we look for trees and we only hear Barry back say, people want to say General Trees have a flight for catch a morning and him have to go in from early and a son for get ready. So him leave out. Bless up General Trees.
That was so like a
Saturday
show.
night I dance. The Sunday, where Trees gone a foreign, we go Fort Lions, go see Trees a perform at Fort Lions.
Trees are gone fire.
Trees not gone enough.
I take trees, take away yourself.
Eat did on the night there, and Trees just take away himself. A yellow man them stay and end up in White Star.
You beat them, see me.
Yellow them the night there, I tell you. And a youth named Dominic. I tried to take up for Peter Metro one night, because no cure we clash with Metro neither. You know, Peter Metro my DJ still, you know.
Yeah?
Peter Metro my favorite DJ.
Peter mentioned your favorite DJ.
Favorite DJ coming up in the business because we always want to be like Peter Metro. Me I tell you the truth. Peter me try the baddest thing, so me always want to kill him. Me I say, you know, sir, that boy, him too bad, you know, him bad, so man.
Yeah.
Want to kill off him, but no cure we clash, him don't come.
Nah, face the judgment.
No cure much time with sound and theme sound clash, him just don't come, brethren. I'm not turning up on none of the clash there, man. I mean, I say, why? When I say the next man, I say, what happened to Peter? I say, Peter, nah, come, man.
yeah, none of the other man them when known as clash artists ever go at it like a ninja man.
Me and Ninja Man never really have no big clash like that.
But you don't go at it before?
Go at it before, run a waterhouse.
Yeah?
You come and him
that way run a jam is?
Negril one time and yeah, run a jam. Me and him have a clash at Negril. And current go from about 7 o'clock and come back about 5 in the morning.
So you clash over the
keep? Wait him over for him side of throw and me over my side. I can't wait for current come back. Never get for clash.
Yeah.
Run a jam is in trail. If you go on YouTube, you find it, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's how the clash with them say ninja run.
Yeah, man.
So I run him really run.
When I go to him and say, oh, man, you're a DJ and you come off here, they must say ninja walk away. They mustn't say you kill him.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. The man say, they must say ninja did walk away. Them can't say you did kill him, come walk away, brother. Because when him throw the first punch, and I counter-rack it, and him try it again, and I counter-rack it, him try it again. So him start tell the people, and say, people born the general now a girl, you know. I pay a goat the boy have. A goat time girl, and then him go DJ one song where him have my girl and where him do it. Some old Americans say, people, ninja just say me a goat and my girl. Now he say me have my girl. What that mean? And I say that means saying love goat too. And I say, alright, cool people, ready now. Now show you how we deal at them time them walk off.
Yeah?
Yeah. So if you say goat and my woman, and then you have
and
a talk about your
woman.
Yeah, remember me I listen everything, you know.
Yes.
When me there clash, you know, and other artists I walk up and I drink and I look at man. Right now one corner I see say I know everything where you say over there. Everything where you say, you dem me a counteract when me ready. So I don't want nobody come tell me say you did say.
Yes.
I want to know where you say. Come here, so build the response party easily, you know. Yeah, man.
Bunny General was known as the sound clash artist. Yeah? Until you started recording.
Yeah.
Your first recording, how that came about?
It's like I there on a studio every day and I voice a song. No producer not voice me.
Why
so it's like a brother named Wally we one in a city. Come and say, every day you're there, say you want to voice something for me. Come in the studio with me, you where you have me. And then play the Heavenless rhythm. Give him a song on it named Goat Rider.
That was your first recording?
Yeah, I try to voice a song for Bobby Digital. And Bobby said, nah, son, I don't want them thing about no goat thing and them thing there, Bridget. So I do it for inner city and inner city play against Bobby Sound and use it and kill Bobby Sound. Then at a heat wave, the man lock off heat wave with the goat song. So you don't know what happened now. The day after the clash, Bobby come with his stammer said, you, remember the song about the goat. He killed me last night. Come voice it for me, so you have to pay for it now, Bobby.
You did that.
Because my thing out there now, Bobby. You have to pay for it now. But I give you free ready. Salvation Army program. No more money for it. Yeah, if I even $50 you have to give me.
Yeah.
They come back in them time, $50 from money. Yeah.
Goat Rider was Bunny General's first recording.
Yeah, so after Wally have it and mash up a whole of the dance them everywhere. I there on a King Tubby's studio and Firehouse crew come in and said, Tubby's, oh you have that bad artist in a way of theme thing them a mash up dance hall and you're not recording. And Tubby said, I see him out there all the while now, but him not say nothing. I said, because I know you do the recruiting, Tubby's. I talk to the man and I recruit the artist. So Tubby said, go on in, they go voice the song with them say I mash up the place. Then I see and then give me the mud up rhythm. Tum 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 tum. So my voice go to right up on it.
So you actually voice it officially for King Tubby's.
Yeah. In a no time,
so
it number one.
So the inner city was just a dub plate
Just
type
dub
thing.
plate.
Just dub plate.
Yeah.
And your voice
Dub
that's
plate.
dub plate for Heat Wave too. For Bobby.
Yeah, long after.
Long after. And but officially
Inner city first play.
Yes.
And then officially now.
King Tubby's recorded.
King Tubby's.
Yeah.
And Mr. Jammies and Jammies say, oh, you have that song there, I mash up the place. Around you say you depart every day and you left go vice round so. And I say me that vice it in here say, but Bobby say in no one a song about no goat.
Oh, Bobby was the engineer at Jammies at the time.
Yeah. Say no one a song about no goat thing, man. And he say, Bobby's studio or my studio? I say, I don't know Bobby are the engineer, but.
Yeah.
And I say, and so I end up start record some song for Jammies and song them start take off said way. I mean I record for Tubby's same way. I record for Mikey Bennett. Because everybody want to record me now, you know.
So you would have transitioned now from a bona fide sound clash DJ to a recording artist.
Yeah. If you notice, enough song when we do about sound to do.
Yes, mostly sound clash. That's why I introduce you as a real sound killer.
Of sound song.
Yes.
But me have enough song out there where I do feel pick out label and them people there.
Big piece of Goat Rider.
Goat Rider say. Goat rider, some man a goat rider, me, them the youth they out of order. Goat rider, some man a goat rider, me. People, me wake up one morning about 5:45. Me and my baby mother with them call name Judith. Say it a youth man in a one black jacket. A goat tie before him with one long rope on it. Him have a goat foot in him two back pocket start all and pull it and him a lick it. The goat start spit, the goat start vomit. A man back a knife cut him pan in private. A woman back a stick nearly kill him with lick. The goat ball me man say murder commit. What the boy do? The boy take up a goat and throw it on him back. Right at one tree root the young man stop hear him. Come sexy goat, this is my usual spot. Your skin hairy, but me don't mind that. Open your foot, make me give you what me got. Me never use a woman yet put in on my lap. So me know you can't got me, but me know you can't chat. When you got me, people don't understand that. Me not do it front way, because everything round her back. When the boy start chat and then he start sting, he hold up on the goat and start to whine him. When him start whine the goat and the sex with him, he go the goat, he say the young man I sing about. Sometimes I wonder why goat meat so tough. But every, yeah man.
Goat Rider. Hit song.
Yeah, man.
Big
Number
song.
one it go, man.
First song.
Yeah, first song and a number one it go.
Number one.
8 weeks it there number one for.
8 weeks.
Yeah, man.
What a song they do for Bunny General?
Right now, that song there, anywhere I'm going at the world, except like Spanish country and, you know, I full up a class run in Spanish country.
Full up a class.
Italy, Germany, all of them places, full up a class of the song.
Yes.
You understand?
When did you voice fill up a class though?
Full up a class voice back in the 80s.
Close
also,
to Goat Rider?
Yeah.
Okay.
Close
so it wasn't long after Goat Rider? You
no, because it's like a sound thing I go up on England. Got DJ, because I'm still a DJ sound.
You're still a DJ sound, even
Yeah,
though...
yeah, me have the song them, because sound system did still out.
Yes.
So when I go to England now, I get requests for come on a dub vendor studio, the white guy, dub vendor. Say, I want to buy some song with me and him have a little package to pay me. So I go to dub vendor and him play that rhythm there. They said the rhythm where Jack Roddy step on. And I said, I believe in miracle, baby. Where you from? You sexy thing. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, man, that rhythm there. I just love the rhythm and I put the full up a class on it. And I tell her that song there.
So you actually had the song before?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you had the song before?
Some of me a DJ in a
Long
dance,
time.
man.
Oh.
Some of me a DJ in a dance, and I start record all of my song them when I used to DJ in a dance now, you know.
Makes sense.
Yeah, my song them I DJ in a dance for years. I start record them because if them can mash up a crowd so much, when I do them live. That means that the crowd want to hear them on record.
Makes sense. So,
yeah, man, so
full up a class come about.
Yeah, I record it.
Song hit again.
It again, man. It up till now. All right, 3 years ago, it was number one in Panama.
3 years ago?
3 years ago. Yeah.
And
it got number one in Panama like 5 years apart each time. Like a younger youth, them grow up, them come love the same song again and it mash up the place again. You understand? The other day when I go to Sicily, it was the number one song.
Yeah?
A 80s song, I tell about
80s song?
Yeah, and the Sicily, now it had a big song down there.
Song full up a class,
yeah,
brother?
Never stop it.
Yeah?
Yeah, when I go to Germany, them place, I have to make sure I see the last song my DJ. Because it's the song where the crowd are waiting on. If you watch Reggae Jam Festival and see how it deal with down there when I draw that on stage. See how white people go on. Panama City. When I go to Panama, you know, it's Bonnie General in concert, you know. And look how much 1,000 people come out.
For your place.
Yeah, me and the Prime Minister for them at Panama, man. And my place that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like when I know say Sicily. I have Sicily lock on them places.
Yes.
I go to Germany at trouble. You have a place where I know I own down there, so.
Yeah.
And a place in Italy when name Catanzaro. Then say Burro Bantan are the biggest thing from Jamaica. Come go down there, Burro picture them, I see. Now my picture them there up the side of Burro
Bantan.
Yeah, man. Because you know Burro a bad artist until today.
Yeah, man.
Burro a wicked DJ.
Yes. So you say Sicily and them, some place around Italy and Panama, your place them
yeah,
there?
man, my place and place. Man.
Full up a class.
Full up a class, you know, say, you're wrong for trouble general, and we never did that trouble you. We did one, you boy. You're wrong for trouble general. We never did that trouble you. Let me tell him, you man come look at me full up a class, come look at me full up a class, come look at me full up a, 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 look at me full up a. What me do? Talk from now till the morning, man, me no feel like fist up. Why some of them come to my dance reggae music, some of them come to my give me one job. What me do? Put on my pants and put on my shirt and then me go put on me at the woman and the man them in the dance. The whole of them get up on a rock. Some of them brown and some of them black and some of them simple, some of them fat. Let me say. Some of them bout them a ball head, some of them a dreadlock. So they do. Run them a ball, them a eat, them a laugh, them a joke, them a wine, them a wiggle, them a turn, them a style, them a ball, them a wiggle, them a go, them a drink and they them a drink up town. General want them, general teach and general bring them go on. No general take up the mic, the woman and the man them in the land. Why some of them run off the mouth and general tell them keep calm. Go lock up your mouth and keep the fly and shut up your molly arm. Cause when make up in a dance, you know the dancer must have a go on. We call G and Jennifer, general call the girl Dan and make them nobody general ready for go. Nice up the land. Me a general, me no criminal, fee marshal, me no partial, me got prudential, get any man girl began my brother, me know me no local. If some DJ come into the place and enough of them end up critical, let me say, look at me full up, look at me full up.
Full up a class, yeah, but full up a class, brother. The government name is Claudius Douglas.
Yeah.
How the Bonnie General thing come about?
Well, you see, mother give me the pet name Bonnie. And me I go to school, because you don't know the thing going at school. The youths, them call me General.
Yeah.
I can run, sing, DJ, everything. So like any local concert, then we say, see the General are coming in there now. And you understand?
Yes.
Because them know me as the favorite. When I walk on stage, a different thing. Performance and them thing there, you know? Yeah, man. So at the youth, my school give me the name General.
Yes.
Even though a policeman would ask me, what your name one time? He say, you're an artist. I say, yeah, man. What your name? I say, Bonnie General. I say, what your name? I say, Bonnie General. I say, that name that your mother give you? I say, my mother give me name Bonnie and my father give me General. So I told them I get it from CMB.
Yeah.
So what the name on your birth paper? And I tell him. And he say, oh, so your name Bonnie General. I say, no, that I tell you. So I never hear about you yet. I say, I go come in here about the length. I'm in bigger for 20 years with. I never hear about you either. Yeah, man. So the thing.
So your pet name is actually Bonnie?
Yeah, Bonnie. Yeah.
And the youth them at school say General.
General, yeah,
so
man.
Bonnie General.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
So, Goat Rider, full up a class, or just two of the songs, because you started recording now.
Yeah.
And rapping.
Yeah, man.
A whole heap of other songs.
Yeah,
See?
man.
You have songs with a lot of other people
Yeah,
as
I have a
well.
#1 song again I'm do with Colin Rose, Sylvia's mother.
Sylvia's mother.
Yeah,
Call Sylvia and
#1.
Sylvia mother now make a talk to
Yeah,
her.
I get another #1 song again, me and Brian and Tony Gold.
Yes.
Yeah, Girls You Can Do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brian and Tony Gold, so, but you also have a song
sing
with
with
Tony
Shaggy.
Gold,
Yeah,
with In My Dream.
In My Dream with Tony Gold, yeah.
So
And we have a next one with Tony Gold named Girls Night Out.
Girls Night Out.
Yeah.
The tune with In My Dream, another video there, are you, Brian Gold, and Cartel sit down for one local place a reason.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and Cartel is
And Miller 9.
And Miller 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they always good, man.
Yeah, they always good.
I'm look at Bridget. More time invite some song and say, General, come listen to that song. I'm going to listen it and then, man. A good youth, you know. Yeah. A good youth.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, man.
So how come you and Adi never do nothing together?
Well, let's say, well, I feel like it never happen now. If them things never go on. Yeah, you know what I say?
So yeah, sir.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, and Brian and the great Brian and Tony go link up a couple times well.
Yeah, but you know, so that song that me and them do, name thing there, Girls You Can Do.
Yeah.
You know that it was me alone record that song
Yes.
for Mikey Bennett. Me alone do the singing part and the DJ part. Then Mikey Bennett said, Bonnie, I like that song there now. Why you not make Brian them
Do the chorus?
Yeah, and you DJ. Yeah, I'm frightened when the song come out and hit on them thing there. Mikey Bennett and Brian and Tony go up on all the radio station. Never call me one day yet. And I said, Bonnie, we had an interview upon the song because the song them I talk about. So I hear the man them I talk upon the station about the song and my name no mention no time throughout the interview.
The song.
And me have to call Richie B and say, Richie B, interview and my song and me build my song. You understand? But you see, the thing is, Brian Antonio Gold was Mikey Bennett artist.
Yes.
I wasn't Mikey Bennett artist.
Oh, okay.
So.
But you and Brian and Tony good though.
Yeah, man. My youth them, man.
Because after uno work after that too.
Yeah, man.
So how things with you and Mikey?
Yeah, Mikey good, you know.
Yeah, Mikey good.
Yeah, Mikey, you know, me is a man where nobody with the girl thing, like, have
carry feeling.
Yeah, we not do them thing. The music, we are dealing with the music have all ups and downs, man.
Yes.
Yes, so sometimes something go wrong. You know, fix that, man, and move on.
Yes.
I can't agree with you, man, about nothing, man.
As a man who come out of the dancehall era where sound a kill sound and an artist a DJ sound, many of your songs have that type of vibe the same way.
Yeah.
Many of the songs that you have recorded are really a war type of sound vibe, same thing.
Yeah, because I noticed that most of the sound man them always want dub plate.
Yes.
Yeah, enough man have some songs out there, I mean, I see them in the studio, I do not dub. Because the sound man don't want them songs there for dub.
So yeah, Billy song them, you know, man, them go
want them song there.
Yeah.
If you want them.
Which sound have the most Bunny General dub plate?
Why it is so hard to tell. Inner city have so much bodyguard.
Bodyguard.
Lord God, Exodus Nuclear.
Exodus.
Bass Odyssey. Kilimanjaro. If you name them right now, I don't know which one.
All that big sound them.
Yeah, man.
Have Bunny General.
Yeah, there's hardly any big sound where I will clash and not come call me.
Yes.
And I say, boy, General, we need a custom for that clash, you know.
Yes.
Here who we are clash against. Them just tell me, they not tell me no song.
And you just
And I just build a custom. Because you know me do all blueberry and dub.
Yeah.
A sound get killed. Them tune the champion sound a play still. Sound boy should write your will before you take poison pill. Dun, 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 dun. Sound boy, your life just gone. Champion sound is still on top form. Sound boy just try and keep calm. Like you're not beat for man in sound boy, do something for me now. Go and get some roll on and take care of your big molly arm. Sound boy lost in the wheel. The next sweet tune. My son kill some clown. All them tune there. Yeah. Don't play it no more.
Don't play it no more.
Tune, tune, tune. Me sing all of them the pan dog, man. Don't play it no more. Wonderful. All you got to do is test my sound. Sound boy, you will understand. Something will happen to you. It will be terrible whenever time this little world came blue. Champion sound, yes, I listen to you. And something happens to me. All them tune there.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Spy for die.
Yeah.
Informer for dead.
Good morning, son boy.
Good morning, son boy.
Yeah. Do the whole of them tune.
What them I do?
Where them at a place, eh? Now sound I play, but them not gonna. Yeah, man. But that one tune when him. When I do it for the dog, you know. Remember the time when him come in the newspaper say a boy named Bird from Olaba?
No, I don't remember.
They rape a dog.
Yeah?
But the bill tune man, I say, I have a sad story to tell you, crowd of people. It might hurt no feelings, but it's true. But they are England and say one Jamaica Enquirer, what? Which part of boy from Olaba lift up one dog tail. He should have go to jail. Beat him day and night and don't give him no bail. Yeah, what?
Yeah. One of the things though, Bunny, even though you are a serious man when you come on to sound clash and dub play thing,
yeah,
many times you're on stage about fun and making the audience laugh.
Comedy.
Yes.
People them love that thing there. Because I say the tune I'm doing everybody look brown.
Yeah.
People them on stage, I can DJ that at 10 times. Them now want you stop DJ them tune there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Enough girls lick out panic. I told me, I say, make go look some pound. come back in a jam down. When the plane touch down, people, I may reach on the ground, I see something strange. So I have to look round, me, take a drive downtown, everybody look brown. So I drive and gaze, I see brown face, black neck and black ears. I just make a one stop. Go check my Igla friend Pat. When she come out, trust me, I was shocked. I couldn't believe her she that black knee, black elbow, ankle, heel back. I said, tell me something, Pat, you're not getting on for that. Say, Bunny General, no man, no watch that. That's why the body tight and know the face at. Then Pat, when you use and do that, no snow, no fall, I mean, know the place at. General, nobody watch that. Bleaching around things and they got the place. Like, I did it done. The other day, I see my swear a yellow man can rub up the face and the foot and the hand. Tell me something, why you not like black man? Jesus, kiss me neck back. Wait, no elephant man that. I never forget him was black. Ninja man did that try, but he say him have to stop, kind of bad up the cream and the bleach turn back. Here a girl, I said the one parlor hat, she a pretend for brown or what. Ruffy and she rub from face to head back. Kiss me neck, you can't stop me from chat. What? Me glad me sign up. When you go a club, mind pan who you wine up. Because the way some man bleach and his face me fine up. Good as the wrong place, you run got wine up. Yeah, man, them tune there.
Comedy again.
You have a tune in your shame. Might think a she, then you find out a him, them a shame. Watch out me hygiene. Man, I bleach out them face and all the ears ring. What a thing. You know, hear me say strange. The other day, me there at Constant Spring. Cool and a reason me and my brethren. Him see somebody a pass and run, go so, psst. Think say a she, when him find out a him, the way him run, people think him all have an engine. The boy fast than Toyota 11. Yeah, man. All of them tune there.
Yeah.
Stage. Yeah, man.
One next studio you have where, you know what I mean, did very well is No Boom Boom.
Yeah, man. Yeah, invites that for Steely and Clevie.
Steely and Clevie.
Yeah, man.
What was the story behind that tune? I just go to the studio.
No, the thing is that I just like Slim Girl.
Yeah.
Some of us says, give me the girl and where you come. Come in a one not a fatty boom boom. Don't give me the girl and where you come. Come in a one not a fatty boom boom. Kukum can walk and kukum can run. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Suppose you're a man in a one long time fight. And a man go to Bex back down one night, one shot you with him gun, and stab you with him knife. You will walk with him buduf bath for your wife. If a kukum come, she could have run for your life, but the buduf bath could have dropped down. You all them things there.
For again.
Yeah, man.
For again. Bunny would have made his name in the sound class space, also made his name as a recording artist,
yeah.
Also made his name as a stage performer.
Yeah, man.
Because all of artists have that. Some artists we can go in at the
them not have the package, man.
But then can't go up on stage, go deliver.
Where's electric chicken them?
The electric chicken them.
Yeah, the electric chicken them.
Yeah.
That are most of the new one them. Because enough of the new artists nowadays bad enough.
Yes, lyrically.
Yeah, some bad new artists nowadays. But some of the new artists, them are electric chicken them.
Can't perform.
They hatch them in a studio. You know what I'm saying? So when them come out of the studio, them don't know what to do.
Wide fall settings.
Put them on stage, brethren. They know say kubo them growing and them not used to outside. Yeah, man. Me alone look at DJ and disrespect the elder artists them the other day. You know? And me I tell them I vex and I just chill. Because Anthony Miller, me here I interview him. And I ask him about the new artists them. Him do one song with him where I talk about Axio and Mark X. And him I said, so I'm to all Beanie and Bounty and who name sir? I don't know what kind of song them do.
It's a disrespect.
Yeah, the little boy and I have no manners, man. I mean, I go as far as in my yard in music.
Me say the people in that shit we already still.
Him not have no manners, man.
And the other day, when somebody else I said conversation.
Anthony Miller, I say, but all them ask you them thing, they not all care them, the man. He must say, no man, what do you, man? I don't know, like him I try to carry up the age upon the car. And me and the car born in the same time.
So, as we have said, Bunny come out of the real school, the Sound Clash
original,
business,
man.
Where man have a DJ
yeah,
the
me
whole
I listen
night.
to Lone Ranger, me I listen to General Echo them, me I listen all of them, man, the Johnny Ringo, Welton Ira. Me DJ with the whole of them people, when me I call them name, you know. All of them people there, me DJ right beside them. Back in the days as a little youth. Yeah, man. Lone Ranger, one of my artists too.
Yeah.
Yeah, me used to love Lone Ranger. Yeah, man. Ranking Joe. Yeah, man. All of them artists back in the days come up. Rankin Trevor and them, and them used to listen to them song them. But my favorite artist them was Michigan and Smiley.
They may say early influence.
Yeah, man.
Of all the songs of Michigan and Smiley, what your favorite?
Nice Up the Dance, man.
Nice Up the Dance. I think your dance disease is still.
Nice Up the Dance, man, was my big tune, man. Anyway, I go and enjoy that on stage.
Problem.
Yeah, man.
How can you work with Michigan and Smiley musically?
Michigan have a bona fide brethren like a brother. When I
Yes.
say me and him like brother. The way I love that youth there, you know. Because I'm a very intelligent youth and him have a whole heap of respect for people. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. I never hear him yet say nothing negative about the artist or about somebody.
Yes.
It's a man if you say something about an artist and then they say, brethren. You feel if you did go to him and say this and that, and it's a man who always try to fix things.
Yes.
Papa Michigan.
Sound clash killing, stage performance, recording. Which part you're most comfortable? Where are your zone, your comfort? That's what I think there.
I love stand up in front of the crowd.
Stage performance.
Yeah, I love in front of the crowd. I'm a favorite that.
Yeah.
You know how big the crowd want to be or not how small it want to be.
Yes.
I just want to in front of them.
You ever go anywhere, go perform and feel like that crowd there go stand up on you?
Yeah, man.
Them stand up?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
But you know, I not stop till I find something. If I wake them out of their misery.
Yes.
You can remember the last thing I forgot a 90 when them had buckle the whole of the artists on stage, man. Buckle them. But them time them know me one of the favorite I go up on the stage. So I never that worry. I did so comfortable.
Stinger Stadium and Stinger Jammerel?
Stinger Stadium.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, I work Jammerel too, you know, but I talk about Stadium. All the last thing we keep at Jammerel, I perform on it too, you know.
Yes.
The last
2015, 16?
Yeah, man, I perform on the last thing too, man. You understand? And Louise come to me and say, boy, Bonnie, people them like them a lick down everybody. You want me call Buju Banton and then I call you. I say, how are they, man? My time, man. Just call me when I hear time. All right, anything you say. From my name call, I see a place light up. I know say I'm my thing. When I see stadium light up, clappers, fire rocket, everything from my name call.
You go deal with it.
So the song when I plan for to start with, I not even bother start with that. I just get comfortable up there. And just mash up the whole thing. I don't hear the Galaxy P make him name, man.
Yes.
And we call him on stage, man.
You call on Galaxy P? So Galaxy P you so there on you?
No really, no. Did me look a brethren, we used to hang out together like that. But it's like him have a song named Goody Goody at the time. And my song, they are #1 at the time, you know, Sylvia's Mother. You understand? So when we up on stage and we do a portion of song and I mash up the place, I call up Colin Roach. Colin Roach come to Sylvia with me. So when he come to Sylvia and we mash up the place, we say, people, you think of that? Hold on there, Galaxy P. And when him walk on, Colin Roach say, you can meet me by railway. And him just walk on and say, goody, goody. I never see another artist in our history as sting up till today.
Get that forward.
Get that forward the way Galaxy P get. I think they'd squeeze up with people, you know.
Yes.
And when the man say, goody, goody, me say, yo.
As a man, when you know about stage performance, Bonnie, which artist would you say are the best you ever see governing a stage?
Why? You see that brother there named Peter Metro over the years.
Yeah.
That's why I always want to learn from him. Because Peter Metro are the man when I say deal with stage one. Up till today,
yes.
You put Peter Metro up there, same treatment. But otherwise, on that, you say Ninja Man.
Gargan.
Yeah, man. You have an ex-brother when you're Lieutenant Stitchy.
Yes.
Them man then a ramp with stage performance, brethren. Tiger was one of them youth there, right?
Full of energy and
yeah,
vibe.
full of energy and them thing. The Papa San.
Yes.
Professor Nuts.
Nuts.
You understand? Them man there have stage thing locked, brethren.
Yes.
Can't tell about them.
Anyone, you say you new artists them, some of them are electric chicken.
Yeah,
out of the modern crop of artists, who you then think can angle themselves on stage?
None of them new artists are not bad like none of all artists.
No, man, they're not bad like them, but at least
not
them
close.
try improve. Not.
They go close, man. What you said, the boy named Beanie Man. Yeah. Beanie Man are the greatest thing Jamaica ever see up till today when it comes to stage performance.
Totally agree.
Beanie Man are the greatest thing. Beanie Man is like Michael Jackson for Jamaica. When it comes to him and the crowd and them thing there. Prophet bad to Capleton.
Prophet Energy can't run out.
Can't run out. Capleton bad on stage.
They agree with you
but
about
you said
that.
Beanie Man.
Yes.
Him are the man Rasta. Why me have to give him it? Is everywhere in the world him go.
Him do his same
prove
thing.
it to us. Him are the man.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? One of the greatest entertainers Jamaica ever see, named Beanie Man. And see, man, Peter Metro have to say come on the same stable, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Because I'm rate Peter Metro, you know.
I realize you rate Peter Metro.
Oh, what there, man?
Realize you rate Peter Metro.
Peter Metro Rasta.
Let me ask you a question, Bunny. Is there any artist in the business where you play a pivotal role in their entry or emergence into the business?
Well, for tell you the truth, a lot of artists where used to hang out around me, you know, boss. Called Killer them used to around me, you know.
Yes.
Run a jammies, you know. Killer them used to around me. And me used to put in a whole heap of talk for him and them thing there when I go in the studio. Even when we had the dub back in the days and some man advise me and them not advise him because him not really on a song.
Yes.
And me used to talk for the man and I say, either you then bounty hunter body, you know. And I say, General, you may advise. I say, me and him do a combination for you, man. I'm going there and do all two combination me and bounty for the sound man them back in the days. Because some sound man play Bunny and bounty, a bounty hunter them play.
Yes.
And a bounty killer.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Long time.
Yeah. Bounty used to do a jamming studio. I go there and say, General, you me a wait pan for coming in, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Killer a good youth, man.
General.
Yeah. Killer general, man.
Yeah.
Big up Bounty Killer anywhere I'm there.
Speaking about class songs, you and King Kong have one legendary song in our class space.
You know, a long time we do that song.
And a long time we do that
and
song?
an old song, a new song.
What do you mean new?
That song they about 2 years old to 3 years
Big
old.
Bad Sound?
And the general rhythm.
Yeah, that me I say, because when you listen to your song back in the 80s, early 90s vibes, you still again.
Yeah, because that them they do want when them give it the rhythm.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a voice a song. They're not old song. A new song, man. You know what song me about there? A new song people believe say a old song. Like Good Morning Son Boy, a old song.
Good Morning Son Boy.
Old song.
Midnight Hour?
Old song.
Old song that, okay.
Old song them, man. My voice Good Morning Son Boy right now the time where nitty-gritty voice a song say, Good morning teacher, long time we reach ya. Alright then.
Yeah.
Student come a class to learn from their teacher. Yeah, me just show me a sound man.
Yes.
Me do, and you must know say, a Prince Jasbo, me record my one final.
Prince Jasbo.
Artist Prince Jasbo. Me record that in a Tough Gang studio, me record it.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You mentioned Peter Metro a lot. Is there anybody else in the business where you and them really good like that? Are you parring P them?
Papa San, my brother,
Papa
man.
San and your brother.
My brother that, man. Really look a brother that, man.
Yeah.
Papa San.
From creation
No, me and him
days
link
Cosmic
same way.
Force
Nothing
days.
not change.
Nothing not change.
Yeah, man. Me and him link same way, man.
I'm glad for you that for a number of reasons. So, son, anybody else where you and them rap on
Stitchy, I'm a brother
Stitchy
to.
same way?
Stitchy. And my brother to Peter Metro them.
Yes.
You know, say, for tell you the truth, most of the artists them
Yeah,
from
them
back
good.
then till the no artists them. Me and them good, you know.
Yes.
We don't know no artists where me and them no good, Bridget.
Yes.
All the one them overseas. Because so the other day me and Shiny that tour.
Yeah, I see some clips on YouTube.
Yeah, man, me and
Great
Shiny, man. Shiny that one of the greatest, man.
So when China there, yeah, they and him link up.
Yeah, man, said we. One time me and him do a show on Negril. Yeah,
One
man.
thing. And China come here again, so me I want to link. Me I'll tell them make people a year.
Yeah, man, Shiny, big up yourself anywhere there, Shiny. Shines, brother.
I love me Beverly. Big up
I record that tune for Steely and Cleavy.
Steely. I had enough work to do with Steely and Cleavy then.
Enough song I do for them, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Bobby Digital too.
And Bobby. After Bobby realized a thing. think different.
No, you know, Bobby advised me before them.
No, well, I guess Bobby has said he just never wanted the goat song at the time.
And then he wants it.
And then he wants
it. I start record some song and I Bobby, you know, on a jammies. But some of them songs I record on a jammies, to tell you the truth, they come up on Bobby label. When I record them, I seriously a jammies, I don't record them for at the time.
But actually Bobby?
But Bobby call me, he never know, because Bobby never tell me, say.
Yes.
And me had them, I find out. And just play jammies rhythm them. And say voice on this and this and this and this. So it all did cause a controversy on that time.
Yeah, between Bobby and Sir James.
But you know, James is a man where not keep up nothing. Him just talk to your heart about something today and tomorrow and they say, Bonnie, where there? You know what James is.
Yeah, you're not left out James.
No, I'm not left a king of inch.
When you get double work or when you have voice around, James is the
most of the time. When James get through on them thing, they must say, hey, me have Bonnie General now.
Nah, left you out, said
Nah, left me out. If you no remember name, Mumaris, I say, James, what happened to Bonnie? You talk about that, you said that song they name Sylvia.
Sylvia.
Them said the rhythm full. I go in there and one voice on the rhythm and I say, boy, that rhythm there full up now. Mama Irish just come in and say, no song can come out on the rhythm there if Bonnie not there on it. You know. So when they just scrap the work or something, Bonnie have a voice on that rhythm.
Yes.
So when just go voice him now or something. Because if Bonnie not there on the rhythm they can't come a road. Me I tell them that and beat her chest and walk with.
And a hit song come out.
Number one. Number one song, man.
Yeah. Who have the best voice as a DJ ever hear?
Best voice as a DJ?
Biggest voice. The way you said that a DJ voice that.
Boy, it's a Shabba. That youth they were dead again when he Major Worries.
Major Worries.
You have an next artist, somebody they love him voice again, he named Tonto Irie.
Tonto Irie.
Yeah, man. Love Tonto Irie voice.
The voice, their voice, so you say, yeah.
Yeah. But Shabba, Major Worries, Tonto Irie, Burro Bantan again.
Big voice.
What? Man, want some voice in a normal bridging. Lone Ranger, you know, say Lone Ranger, the whole of them get them voice from a come up.
Yeah.
Lone Ranger, man. Enough for the man, them a Lone Ranger, them sound like I just threw them DJ in a different style.
Yes.
Yeah, man, with a Lone Ranger voice, man.
You say Panama, yeah, Prime Minister down there.
Yeah, man.
You say around Italy, around Sicily, them part, they're your place.
Yeah, man, my place, them place, man.
So are them two places your favorite place to perform?
No, man.
No, what's your favorite place to perform?
My favorite place them for perform, for tell you the truth, I love down at Germany.
Germany.
I love go Germany.
Why though?
I love, the people them love me down there too, you know, brother. Yeah, man, people them love me down at Germany. Yeah. Canada, our next place, I know say, and my place down there, sir. Where I go, sir, and nothing normal happen down there.
So I can love your hard crowd though.
What do you, man?
Okay, me just a check.
No, we just a talk output.
Out, sir.
But
out,
Jamaica, we never do a flap show at Jamaica yet, you know?
Never.
Never, ever do a flap show at Jamaica.
Yes. Is there any
All when the show dead, me I go there go wake up piece out tight. Yeah, man.
Is there any way you perform it where you hope for God to perform one day?
Africa.
Never been there?
Never.
Any particular country around Africa that you want to go?
Anywhere
Africa?
Anywhere Africa right now. If I even run this party, all of the animal them there.
Yeah, that's why I got Africa.
DJ Al for the animal them and show them so we can wake them up.
Yes.
Wake the town and tell the people. Yeah,
what the biggest crowd you ever walk on a stage go see Bunny?
Right. Sting crowd big.
Sting crowd.
I feel like I pull one crowd by myself. We're bigger than Sting crowd.
Which part that?
Down at Sicily.
Sicily.
Yeah. Bonnie General in concert.
Bonnie General in
I look for people that go way down on the place bigger than which part?
Stinky, bigger than Jamarel.
Yeah. I mean I look for people like ants.
Yes.
And I mean alone. And that show them I go and farm sick.
What make?
Because if money we promoter give me.
No.
And when I see the place, different from where him tell me about on the phone. So I tell him, I want to go back to the hotel, I don't feel good enough. Then he say, you sound like you're not going to perform. I say, no, I'm not going to perform, I'm not feeling well. We refund? I say, yeah. No, we talk, you know. I say, yeah, we talk. Yes, and just give me the same amount like where in the plan for give me a next 100% on that. Because I know I deserve it. Because I tell me, I'm going to one place where About 3,000 people. Yeah, when me go look on the land, I see over 7,000 people already.
Yes.
When I go look on the place, when I just fly in them car, I go show me the venue. I see one line long boat from Spanish Town I come across one bridge cross a river for go over there when a normal. People like crazy. Cause about 5 shows me for do down there already and them cancel, you know. Something go down why them cancel. So this time it confirmed like everybody has saying, people fly out all from Germany come at the show and them thing there. Show the
yes, sir. Full up a class is a song with the most here.
Yeah, the most financial level. World, yes. Dub vendor give me £3,700. When I just voice the song, he give me £1,700 and I just voice it. And we go back to England and give me £3,700. Then him send £3,800 come give me. Then he send £4,000 come give me. Then we go back to England again and he give me £3,550. Remember them. And what day I go to England again, the man give me £3,000 again. My say, I find 80s my record that I'm still a collect off it till today day. You know?
Yes.
And what day I talk and I say, I think I soon have a next thing for send come here. Same song for in the 80s.
Same song.
You know how much man stop pay artists for song we so all. I say expire, but here one to my song. Every minute somebody request the song for one album. So every time they request it, they have to pay a dub vendor. So whenever they pay him just send on my money.
I thought, yeah, say something? Go ahead, man.
One set of people I don't like work for when I go to foreign. You know?
Black people.
Not really black people. Jamaican. If it's a Jamaican, I keep the show. I nah go.
Why?
I might find some excuse to tell you why he don't have no more money for give. The next man no business, but nothing. Him just know say him pay you half and him forgive you next half.
And everything good.
White man, if you should even cancel, then give you money.
Okay, I'm advertising the name.
Yeah, and you come. So him pay you. Yo, I go to Denmark the other day. King Kong come reason with me. I make me go to Denmark. King Kong. So you know I go to Denmark without down payment. And you know I come back without up payment. No one Jamaican down at Denmark run the show, man.
So I'm free to go walk past, buddy.
Funny day me born, me never take a plane go so far. You know how much different transport me go on for reach at Denmark, Bridget. And for know say the promoter tell me say them soon come at the hotel come give me some money. And when he come at the hotel for we, God have mercy. So what happened now? The jacket I put the money them in, man. You know, say I know it me put on, Bridget.
Go for?
I say, oh, no, any of them go for it, we lose the flight. But everything cool. Give me your name. I said, well, you don't have my name already. You send a ticket, then come give me. Now you send a ticket, then. So you don't remember my name already? So me give it again, though. I know I'm not hear from him from come to Jamaica. Nobody hear from him. Nobody get $1. I remember, you know, the government of Denmark sponsor the show, you know.
So money after
So you know, some money there. Yeah, man. That's the only time I ever fly out, go away without money and come back without money, Bridget. Good thing I have my money in my pocket.
Yeah.
Because I buy my food them and them thing there. Because not even food money the man not give it. And the man have whole heap of money where government give him.
Yard man.
To do the show. Yard man.
So you not work for no yard man?
I not work for them, brethren.
Well, unless I get a thing up front.
They just send me, I don't want a down payment from them.
Just send on.
I just want the money. Yeah, man. I come do the thing for you.
Of all the songs where you record, Bunny, which of them songs there are your favorite song? Not the one we probably do, because sometimes the artist's favorite song is not the song we do the best.
Yeah. I have songs like Love Me Beverly.
Yeah, me
a song when you put on the gun.
Put on the gun.
Them tune that the people them love them song there. And them type of song that I really like for DJ, you know, when I go up on stage. And I said, I have so much different song when I like.
Oh, the put on my gun song go.
It depends on the rhythm. Go tum 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 tum. Say, put on the gun, put on the knife, you to make we unite. Put on the gun, put on the knife, you to make we unite. Go! Well, if you out there work on a site, nah get no money if you go shopping tonight. That's why I don't love no hypocrite, I don't like parasite. Some fly by day, some of them pitch by night. For what in the dark must come in the light. Cause they can't hide it out of the almighty side. Could be brown, black, yellow, no care if you're white. And let's get together, make we all unite. And just put on the gun, put on the knife, you to make we you. You know them children. Yeah, man.
That's a message.
Yeah.
Especially
like
in these times.
You see,
things
you have a tune I do for Super D back in the day. You know. But Super D look like him play the tune, make Ninja Man hear the tune. Ninja Man just got the free food ticket.
Living on free food ticket. We sang that.
I do a tune I say, feeding and pay fried chicken. What happened to your greens and your white house stew that alone can do? Rasta know we can do. Because they're selling chicken back for poor people. Wrap it in a paper and plastic bag. Some people eat it till their face get wrinkled. Why some love it as much as they can, but then they can't. Then there's something they generally don't want. That's why I tell it to me. You understand?
And the same melody, flow, pattern of free food ticket.
Yeah, man.
So you never ask Ninja about it?
Ninja, what you mean? Then I tell him, I say all them tune they are Super D song, I'm going to listen to, you know.
How you say?
And Vice me song, you know. Yeah, in business where you want to say.
Oh, they did a business.
You know, see, man Vice one song when he fatina panty. And Jason lyrics, the man say, go ask Jason, him did tell me, say, she fatina. So Jason can't say, you know, no call him name.
Yeah.
And you know, call him name and make them know, say, you did tell me. Yeah.
It's a DJ the business.
In the business, man.
So, Miss Beverly, though, me love me Beverly. I mean, you say one of the songs where you like to.
Yeah,
the people, they must say teach you.
You know, say, one little girl where I used to talk to them at Clarendon and she did left go a foreign. Come back to Jamaica and I see her and I said, wow, go on, my girl. And she said, hi. Like she said, I would that again.
Yeah.
You know, some people back in them days, the foreign used to frighten people. And nowadays, foreign don't frighten nobody again.
Sure. Everybody can go foreign.
Yes, so somebody write the song and they love me Beverly.
So Beverly should be there.
I left from Jamaica. Go and live in Miami. Enough love letter, the young girl used to write me. Get a letter and start to read it. Get to find out she have a man named Tony.
Yeah, they love Beverly for you, man.
Yeah, man.
What would you say, Buddy, at this point in the musical journey is the greatest achievement as an entertainer?
Greatest achievement right now I can say about myself is that the type of song that I put out from back then, when I eat food now, I'm glad say
you put them out.
I did do them song there, I did record for them producer there, and pan and rhythm there. Not for them producer they're not giving them money. But the thing is, them put out we song with them money and allow we to come and eat food right now. You understand?
Interesting perspective that.
Yeah, because me no hungry brethren.
Yes.
And it's because of them money where them spend and produce we sang them back in the days. Because we fear eat food right now. So you have some local man where I have a producer and I can belly for producer and them come rich. All them rich. And the producer them spend them money upon them back in the days. Put out them song them and make them come and eat whole heap of food and out of the business.
Interesting. But the producer them take care of man them still in the money.
Yeah. But in the time when the producer them are robbed with the producer them did I get robbed too. But them never didn't know so till years after. Years after them find out say 5% them did I get out of them money. Them never know say. I said them say thief and thief, God laugh. You understand? Yeah, man.
Is there anything musically we can achieve it where you still hope you achieve that something there?
Yeah, man. Because right now I feel like there's so many things still in the music for me when I don't get it. When I need to achieve it, I can set a thing for me youth them the way I love to set it. I know I have the ability to do it. Just give me the rhythm them. Modern style, I have that lock same way. None of them look a new youth and no more than me. You understand? I have my new thing them same way because I don't follow old people. And the new youth them I follow up and down the place. So if you follow the old man, you have a DJ like the old man them. So I make sure the amongst the local youth them see what is happening and them local thing there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, evolve with the music.
Me modernize me thing them same way. And we now watch age, we watch a stage and where we are up on the front page. You understand?
Yeah.
But remember me telling you, Michelle, any show, anywhere, anytime.
So you have new things.
What if a new song me have, man?
Like what?
You know what I'm saying? Channel, vex, so you never make me come play some
No,
new
you can't go
tune
play because
You know
you could
saying?
have sell a song them to one company in the future, or company sign them and them have them thing on YouTube.
Yeah, that's why more time you play
copyright
some
still.
song, you just talk some things in between the song, then you can't even take them.
Yeah, but you see, sometimes you just don't know. Sometimes I'll 5 seconds man them. So you do a 2-hour interview and 5 seconds or something in it, and you lose everything
Yeah,
in
man.
5 seconds.
Sure.
That don't make no sense. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
So,
True, man.
anything new out there where I do well, I do. You understand the people that I take on to?
Yeah. Me have a song out there and guide me right now. I say, I do for friends for real. I say, me I beg Father God for guide me. Watch your enemies beside me. Hey, watch my steps along the way. Every day upon my knee me pray. Some man love money, but me love life to the fullest. Father God, He make me do this. Some people you know them gone wrong only when them broke and want food for them. I saw them call upon the Almighty One. When them are the bad minded one, them hate we. So we stand up strong, but them can't stop we. What me say? Me I beg Father God for guide me. Watch your enemies beside me. Hey, watch my steps along the way. Every day upon my knee me pray. Me say, Jah! You want me guide and shield, watch me head back from the ones when not real, then we sell you out just to make a meal deal. Them don't know, so we no hungry feel when we are pray. We don't know where them do as they start shine. Then one murder you, they never know Father God up above for watch you, cause them can't take with life. So we are big Father God to guide me. You know, some nice tune out there, man.
Decide to say I work out one of friends for you. So not just
Yeah,
jamming there.
No, man, we write some nice tunes with friends for real. Me have a lot tune right there name Them Nah Dance. I say, man not dance, we know who man a dance again. Lord God know why them not dance, we know who man a dance again. Can you tell me why? Inna the dance, me say something wrong. Man a dance with them friend, them a dance in a gang. Inna the video light, for the video man, some a dance off kid and a dance to the song. Some with a buckle, some a dance with a cup, some a dance to go foreign, some a dance for a chuck. Now buy a drink, some of the dance of them broke. But them a girl and a dance with no cruff. Man not dance, we know who man a dance again. Lord God know, long time ago when we are on dance hall, man used to rob them until them ball. Some pan fence, some of them pan wall. Man nowadays seems like them style. Why them not dance with no woman at all? And look how the girl them healthy and strong. Yet sell some man not dance with no woman. Them they think cause mama man so. Rock to the rhythm and dance to the beat ya. If you have a girl dance all with a sweeter. One pan the bass and one to the tweeter. Lad no, nice chiquitita, you know.
Mad thing.
Some nice tune I'm along.
So you're still in the studio, still a vibe?
Yeah man, still a
You're not
vibe.
just living
Right
that
now I have
past.
a new thing when I just record on a jammies with a Gregory Isaac. I have a Gregory thing where I put out. And him say, I want to come in a combination with the Gregory. So I just go put on a voice on it. Jammies call me and I say, boy, I born it. That song there, mad.
So when that come on road?
We love it. Our album, I put out now, Gregory album. Yeah, so I have different artists where I choose on it.
Yeah.
The other day I put out an album with Dennis Brown, where I have Jonah Gang, Steve, and them, a whole heap of different man. Mixed
So
with
we
the
can look
Dennis
out for
Brown and yes, you can look out for the Gregory I come out, you know. Him send my song, come give me for listen to and it, I not lie. It's nicer than when me just voice it.
Yeah.
You know when Jamis put Freeman on something in our studio and say, man,
Golden touch.
what I tell you, man.
What them a do? Pani puna and rhythm.
Yes, where them a do, where them a play, say, enough sound a play, but them not gonna away, me tell you no. Where them a do, where them a play, say, enough sound a play, but them not gonna away. Come here, done in a town, done in the country. If a DJ test and them dead and bury, we not kill no DJ, turn around and sorry. Me them know say general and me run the country. Them a call my name like them want test me. If a music alone for make them make some money. No for them we a chat to the dead for hungry. So what? Where them a do, where them a chat, say, you know?
Play by the sword.
Play by the champion alone. In any region, go on. I know a sound is going to die, so please don't ask the reason why. Don't ask me why, cause we're not afraid of no clown, afraid of no sound, we're not afraid of no jump on. Because we make it dance ram, tell a guy no this is program, so we want them. Na 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 na. Tell them my sound, yes I the ruler. Yeah, man.
Informer for dead with Top Cat. That different from Spy for die?
Nah, the same song.
The same song?
Yeah, man.
Beg a piece.
I say, spy fi die, informer fi dead. Alright then, because sweet dreams are made of the champion sound. Alright then, travel the world, then 7 seas. Everybody come on then. Alright then, one year the champion play. Rubber dub me say night and day. Cause we a tell son boy, trouble we no trouble you. You trouble we first. Alright then. Yeah, man.
Make them rock.
Make them rock. Make them go and rock. Whoa, whoa. Make them rock. Till them turn over. Let them rock. So let them rock. Till them turn over. So me tell them say, tell some jump and son say me say, borrow in a box now go put them away. Tell some bangarang say me say, borrow in selector now go put them away. Cause we rule every time, we rule no, control everybody. Why test no a murder we charge her. So me tell them, make them rock. Yeah, man.
Yeah. You have been doing music from you were in school.
Yeah, man.
Have you ever worked outside of music?
No, you know, I'm a dental technician. Sir.
Yeah?
Yeah, for build denture and everything there. Because this one I have in my Billy too.
Are you Billy?
Yeah, man.
You got training
denture,
for that or you just learn it along the way?
Man, you have a lady named Miss Charlton and a Clarendon. You have to say how she grew me, you know. And school thing and everything, and she responds to me them way there. So, she's a dentist. So they used to teach me when I left school at the time.
Yes.
I just go in there and them teach me to do all of them things there. So that's how I learn my trade, you know.
Yeah, so if I never music, probably that way
yeah, that way another one. Yeah,
mad thing.
Yeah, but I still have it locking up because I have a whole heap of new idea upon it too.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. More time you just sit down and something come across your mind where you could have do with that denture there. Or, you know.
Yes.
I have 1 and 2 bridging to it. And me build for them.
Build them thing.
Yeah, and I'll know them have it in I say I'll know it not break.
Yeah?
Because I just think what me can do to make this not break or, you know? Yeah, man.
Mad thing. Skills.
See, all man have denture come with it and it break. And I fix it back for them. Because some people it break, you know, and all them do cut out the little thing there in it between and fix it back. What me do, I put a whole heap of zigzag in it. Zigzag. That means say you put them zigzag there in it all about.
Yes.
This thing for break again.
Yes. I know you have worked with people like Colin Roach, King Kong, many other
Admiral
people.
Bailey,
Admiral Bailey,
Shaka, Pliers.
The
whole of the man, I tell you, say, they are the artists that I work amongst in the boss.
Yeah?
Yeah,
so out of doing so much work with so many people, is there anybody who is still out there when you work with it, where you then probably, you know what I mean, enjoy the opportunity for going to the studio to go do some work?
Well, I'm going to tell you the truth. I do two combination with Spanner Banner. I do combination with Pliers. Because I rate them, even Richie Spice.
The whole...
Them brother there.
Yes.
No, them man they have it lock away style. Lotiana, my brother that again. Big up yourself, Loshi. Look at more link. Yeah, man. Them people they're virgin. I love some combination.
Yes.
With me and them people.
You mentioned Steely and Cleve, you mentioned
King
Jammies, you mentioned Bobby Digital. Many people, you work with many of the big producers.
Yeah,
you mentioned Tubbies.
Yeah, man.
Zane. Who was your favorite producer to work with?
Jammies, man. Jammies, I boss.
Why King James?
You see them man, they put out more effort in my career more than anybody else. You understand? Them man, they call you from where you there, brethren? Come voice, man, me have a rhythm for your voice, man, and that are Jammies. Up to right now, you pressure me.
Yeah.
If you come finish one album, I may have around it. I mean, I'll finish it still, no?
Outside of the dancer, outside of the sound clash thing, yeah, any artist having a lyrical feud throughout the journey?
You're Vex and...
Yeah, man, and man voice and you voice back song and... Yeah, almost turning
yeah, I you near Amamouth. Me and him used to have some like of vibes.
Yeah, what's that all of that?
But me do a song named Fall.
F-Fall.
Yeah, F-Fall.
Yeah.
And him do one say, you mama the fall and me are the fall man.
You take it first time?
Never.
Never?
Me take them things for fun.
You take it for fun?
Him never know, so when him do that,
yeah, go run
him dig one pit where him can't come back out of.
So you respond to that, sir?
Me say them walk fall. Me never did call no name on my mouth and somebody because him feel shame me ball me and my mouth want to kill me. Because of him, they go out and rape the donkey me but and he want shot me. Because I rape the fowl over Miss Mary. My mouth hold the fowl and get up. Put the fowl in him lap. Pick out the feather them, put the fowl in him lap. Then me got the fowl years here, the boy start chat. Me near hammer, me come for represent all the fowl them vagina the first one. Yeah.
Did he respond to that song?
Yeah.
Yeah? So it went on for a while?
Him did have one song out there where say, Fan a man a chichi man run him out of your yard. Fan them cough your dog when a man a chichi. And me just say, if you never mix with chichi man, them wouldn't come in your yard. I counteract it.
Yeah.
And him counteract it back and say, after me run chichi man out of some boy yard, Bunny General pick it up and I go like boy church. And I just say, I show you're guilty. That's why you don't like me. True, me first find out say you are. You know, son?
A fall for true.
No, man, you want to say, Fana man a chichi man run out of your
yeah.
yard. Chichi them will rape off your dog. And I'm going to say, I'm going to do the one that say, if you never mix with chichi man, he wouldn't come in your yard. You see, and he say, after me run chichi man out of some boy yard, Bunny General pick it up and a boy like boy judge. I'm going to say, actually you're guilty. That's why you don't like me. True, me first find out say you are workman. Actually, you understand? So, what the big difference between me and him now?
Yes.
Him go write lyrics for war me.
Yeah.
So when him draft him, when me counteract him, same time, like him must say, I wonder, say, so him know me have this, me don't know him have it. I just build my lyrics on spot.
Quick.
Yeah.
Well, that just...
So him never spontaneous.
Yeah, him have to write.
Yeah, him have to go make it for come back. So that's why him couldn't manage the thing. So most of the time, him friend them want to fight. Most clash where we go, him friend them want to fight. Because the last clash me have me and him down a whole about Ascot driving. 2 big sound. Bodyguard and strike force. Yeah, man, I'm in the dance and him no know say me in the dance. But me hear him and say, people have one boy named Bunny General with this and that with goat and one bag of something. And him a cuss me on the mic, I go and I take time circle him and go right behind him, go stand up around the sound. And him see the place and mash up and believe I lyrics for him a DJ. Him no know say I show the people that see me stand up there and say him no see me. Make them a dead with laughing. So him like him step back and step on me and him a say, see the people here. I'm just hold on the mic and I say, people. When I worry people, I worry them in front of them facing them. I don't worry them when I'm not there. And some man don't know say me there. But me there. Music me have to there. So people don't want to see how we kill people. And I start put on the pressure boy and I'm bugging nose where it's a power him, fling a full buckle of Heineken and lick me on my chest. I say people come here DJ phone and a nice up in a place. And I make one little man lick me and I beat him and the dance empty. The whole dance around the one man. The whole dance around the buggy star, man dance empty. The brother keep it dancing up and say like myself. And what they said to me dance, but the crowd coming back still.
The crowd coming back.
Yeah,
so that was the last time you
me and him clash, yeah.
What things between you and Amma?
Me and Amma not on big brethren, man. Big brethren, man.
Because it was just music for you.
Amma didn't understand our clash, you know?
Yes.
But like if a friend them were there around him,
yeah.
Can't take the things that when I tell him. Because him out tell me one night time, say, boy, remember we bring you from country come here. I say, yeah, but me not live by my own, but your mother still a poop on you. So me have ambition. Me know if I come live by my own, you now move out. Me and that's boyfriend have to wait till I go on the road and all them things there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I see them room, you know. And them way them have go on. Yeah, you know, them couldn't take them things there. Yeah, man. So they want to fight, you know. Yes.
Is there any artist where you seen at the business where you never have a sound clash with where you look forward to one day when you love to go up on a stage face to face with the artist, yeah?
Not again, you know.
Not again.
No, not again. You know, you grow out some little things.
Yes.
Yeah, think different, you know. We just want to do some big song, right, you know, with them.
With them.
Yeah. And them do some nice combination and something together, you understand?
Yes.
Out there, that's on my mind right now.
Yes.
I know a war thing with no artists right now, no clash thing or
no man, it's just fun.
Yeah, I know it's fun, but it's the fun where we're having at the music it is not there anymore.
Yeah.
The simplest thing is say nowadays,
Man
some
want
man take
shout,
it
man, and
personal.
True.
Because them look at you, you see a clash, you know. Nowadays, you know, a personal thing them are dealing with, you know.
And a music.
When them do a song and say, if you shoot in your head, them really want to shoot him in your head for real, you know. Them not do it for fun like our fun where we used to have. We have clash and then we cook the same pot in the morning before we go around the whole of we sit down and eat and joke about last night and say, boy, last night, you know, when you did say this and me said that in the head, and we did with laughing and dead and we gone up all on the same truck the whole away.
Yes.
Them youth here say you're for dead. Them mean it say you're for dead. Personal things, that's why them have gang with peer gun. We follow them. For kill people for real. You understand what I say?
Very well.
Yeah, man. Them youth are serious, so them want to kill you, man. Different tribe of youth, them are grow up right now.
Yes. How many children in general have?
A little bit of them, man.
A little bit of them?
About 13 of them.
About 13 of them? Yeah?
I see me have one look at 8-month-old one in
What
this.
do you mean 8-month-old?
8-month-old, man.
Your grandchild?
You want, my son, you want to see him?
I see you earlier. Handsome little fellow.
Yeah, man.
8-month-old body. So now grandchildren if you help raise these days, man.
Yeah, when you stop fire, you just stop fire, you know.
But while they are fire, just go out fire.
If fire and things that me do happen, brethren, youth not dead for hungry.
Yeah.
And I take care of them youth same way.
Yes.
Make sure say youth happy and alright.
Yeah. Bunny is a married man.
No.
Ever been married?
Yeah.
Yeah? But it's so like that's something not in place no more.
You see, married life change your life in a way where it's better you just never married.
Yeah?
Yeah, because you see the expectation where it come with different from when you and your woman just live together. Yeah, man. The expectation change completely. We not even want to talk about that married life there.
Yeah.
Because me have some things where married I got say were not nice.
Yeah, we don't want that.
We don't leave it alone, brethren.
Yes. But it sound like you don't plan to go chat back that road there.
You see, as them say, 7 brothers, 7 different minds.
Yeah.
That means say 7 women, 7 different minds, same way. I don't know.
You don't know.
I'm good to just meet somebody where I not even know if I she it, me live with.
Yeah, I know.
You understand? Don't know.
If Bunny was able to change anything in relation to the music, what would that be?
When me do already back in
Nah,
ideas?
man, with the music, no. Is there anything about the music where you not like?
Right now?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Lots of things about the music right now where you not like. But the reason why I leave it alone is because them say when you go in a restaurant, there is different type of food in there. Eat where you eat, and where you not eat, you leave it for who eat that. You understand what I say? So, not for the youths, they might have DJ some song what me not like, but them have some fans out there will like the song them. So we have to leave it alone, brethren.
Yes.
Make them do. Because they might eat food. As me say, when you go in a restaurant, just buy where you eat and come out.
Yes.
And leave where you not eat. Somebody else will come bite.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? I just write this so I see music, brethren. Because there's nothing you can do to change the younger generation from what they are doing. They are enjoying themselves and they feel like they're comfortable with what they are doing and them have them fans out, they will love them thing. Even though most of the song them just come out for 1 month and after the month nobody now want to hear it again. And I see it and the last they not last long. Them last. Them last, brethren, nobody can find them. Yeah, it's a long enough, nothing to do it.
Them just last.
Them just last. And I like, we do our song from back in the 80s, 90s, and our song them still a play. We can tour off our song them today. But I wish them do some songs where later on in our life, them can come eat food off of them song there. Longevity. Some song where them can come eat food off of later on. Instead of doing songs where only serve for that month, and nobody now want to hear it next month. So they have to have one whole heap of song to keep themselves going. When you have artists with the 2 songs alone in a Jamaica, you know, and buy them house and buy everything with them want and own everything with them want own out of the 2 songs. Them have to do 2 million songs to do that. Why?
Quality.
Because if you listen to some song with some youth are saying some song in a virgin where them say a song, you know. Remember. But you know why I'm not fight it either? I can remember back in the days when we were DJ, the same way people used to fight against our song them and say a foolishness we are DJ.
And I feed you know.
And I feed me now. So that's why I say I don't want even burn no fire up and none of the new youth them.
Yeah.
When you go in a restaurant, buy the food where you eat and come out. Where you not eat, leave it. Somebody else will eat that or come by it.
Yes. Bonnie, looking at the journey, is there anything you do differently if I get the chance to redo it?
In the music?
Yes.
Yeah. Record more songs than when me did record back in the days. Because me that penetrate dub plate back in the days more than for go record a song.
Yes.
Because more time they want to look for me a studio for come record and I say, and think their voice dub down, I think that.
Do some more 45.
Yeah. And albums and everything.
Albums. Speaking about albums, you have any?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. How many?
We have 2 albums out there, call it 2.5.
Names?
You understand? Me have one named Mr. Undertaker.
Yeah.
And Bobby, I don't remember what Bobby album name again. You understand? And me have one half a album I do for Bobby too. Bonnie General, Johnny P and Toughest.
Yes.
3D Hardware.
3D Hardware.
Yeah,
Familiar with that one?
Yeah, man.
Where Toughest there?
Toughest live America.
Okay, and him good?
Yeah, man. Toughest alright, man. My record same way too, you know.
Okay, cool.
Every minute me see him have something new out and well dressed, come out as usual. Toughest, man.
Yes.
Big up Toughest and Johnny P.
Yeah.
Bridging them.
Give me my black girl.
Give me my black girl.
Yes. Alright, give me black girl. I saw a song. I saw me see it online. Give me black. Me don't remember a song in my head now. Alright, so we could skip.
I'll tell you what happened. Sometimes I record some song for some man. Them just get one name.
Okay.
You not even know nothing about that. That enough time I send for me to dub and send the name of the song come. And I say, me not do that song name.
Yeah. And
when they send it come, it's them who write a name and get the song.
Yes.
Yeah.
Different slang.
Different slang. There was a song where, you know, I have that song there in my head.
You know, have it in your head.
Yeah. I know that song there still.
Robert Lee, Midnight Hour. Oh, you're a part of that, go.
Ready for go kill some sound.
Yeah.
I say, wait till the midnight hour when my sound is gonna kill a sound, boy. Let me tell you, Chairman, me ready for go kill some sound. I'm ready for go kill some sound. We kill sound in a country, man, we kill him in a town. Me say, go away, son, boy, you know, you not say nothing. Tell me, oh, wanna go with you, no big burden. Oh, no sound back shape like some old-time coffin. Tell me, wanna make them, I must sit down a madden. Then a general son, they really want to threaten. Me say, 1 o'clock, come. They boy not, you know, I'm throwing there.
From my border.
Cause we no afraid of no jump and son pa me border. For me border, hey. My son are the champion and we roll the border. Run the border. Cause we no put in a powder. The son are we prouder. Kill any jump and sound in the crowd, yeah. Bigger me broad, me the one for the hard. Boy come test, now them dead like dog. Well if a jump and where we send at the mag. Let them know we are the owner for the yard. So we no afraid of no jump and sound pa me border. Pa me border, hey. Yeah.
Mad thing. You have been in the music for decades.
Yeah, man.
From in the 80s. You're still here, you're still working.
Still touring.
What keeps you going? What drive you? What the driving force? Why you desire still did it?
Because I say, the music in me, you know. The important thing, the thing is that I love the music more than the money.
Yeah.
I don't do the music because of the money.
Yeah.
I do the music because the music inside of me I want to come out. You understand? Some people not in the music and the music not in them.
Yes.
Them just hear you sing something and sing something. That means no love not there. But the way me love the music, I love the music away. Me come at your show for perform and no money now run and me just know say me still want to perform for them people. You know?
Yes.
Me perform for them people and go home. You understand?
The music is a drive.
Yeah, music.
Wanting to do the music.
There's nothing on the face of the earth where me love like music. No woman, no money, nothing at all.
Music.
Music, me love. Anything else come after that. Yeah, man.
I've been interviewed many of the entertainers from the old school, Bunny. One of the recurring themes is that some of the, and you touched on it earlier still, some of the artists, they would have been ripped off by producers and labels and stuff.
Yeah.
How are things with you republishing?
Same problem. Same problem, brother. Yeah, same problem. We
Nah, get a just reward to the work you put in.
Nah, I get it. But at the end of the day, you're publishing them out there, you know?
Yes.
I just you have to get yourself together and sort it out the right way and make them come in. Yeah, because I have so many songs out there where I not get no publishing off of them, and guess what? And me write my song them, you know?
Yes.
Me write my song them.
All of the songs that you have voiced.
Yeah, me record and me write the song them. Yeah. So it's not that I say, boy, I'm now getting no publishing, no, because people song me sing or this or that. And my song them,
so you're working and trying to sort that out?
Yeah, man.
Oh, good.
I thought, right, I know, you have one girl in New York, they try everything to get my thing together. And every day she cuss me. I say me I move like a turtle.
Slow?
Yeah, but she don't understand. When you have enough things on your head and enough things to deal with, you can't just pause, so you have to just do things one day at a time. Me I get some songs together, me have a portion of me get together already. Me I get some other songs together. Then me send the whole of them go give her and make sure know say me not get no royalties for them, me not get no publishing for none of them. So them I go sort them out. Me know when she start, you have 1 and 2 man we have a vex with me. When letters and them things they start reach them. Because the youth me never deal with proper, you know. Him dead.
Oh. Sorry,
I deal with them proper. Forget my money from him.
And him, oh.
You but me feel like I can still get it.
Yeah.
From him company. You understand?
Yes.
Come in and do me song them, man.
That's all like a Bobby?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Not get no royalties from him, not get no publishing from him either. You understand?
You would have recorded many songs.
Enough song I record for him. Yeah,
you said that you write your work, the songs that you do. You write for anybody?
If I write songs for anybody?
Yeah.
Well, not 100%, but part way.
Are you in a studio and I'm going
to
help him fix up things?
Make some lines or give them some lines for some songs. Enough artists may do that for us.
But not officially writing for anybody?
Yeah.
Right. For the people I'm out there, Bunny, who want
but I find out, all of foreigners record, do over some of my songs them. And them don't put my name on it.
So you know.
Them make it look like a them. Well, them
are going to feel it.
Them do have my song them all in Spanish.
Yeah?
I'll full up a class out there in Spanish. But my boy said, don't trouble it yet, make it eat.
Yes.
Don't break it.
You're going to eat a bigger food.
Make it eat first, man. Then, when it eat now, then find out, so we didn't know. So Cutty Rankin get a big money the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
For which song that Cutty get money for?
Wow, the man, them remix when I cut his song, I said, Mama Sita, something like that in one song. Boy, them take it and put in one song, and the song go hit right, you know, the Cutty Rankin, and a Cutty Rankin part make it hit.
Yeah. Well, I see Flower Gun when the Miley Cyrus sing for rerun things the other day, so the man them start.
I eat a food.
Eat a food off of them things.
Yeah, buy him nice vehicle I drive now. You know, have to push him on through the bottom again and take up my half a ground. My friend that, you know. Flower Gun.
Flower. Yeah,
man, the man say $1,000 job one day at studio, everybody has search for it. And Flower Gun drive off. And man say, Flower Gun take it up. He said, no, him never come out of the vehicle. And man say, oh, but if you get say in vehicle now on bottom, you know. Say blow on there and then take it up through Flower God.
They're easy, you know.
Flower, I'm a gentleman.
Yeah, man. But the people out there who want to get in touch with Bonnie General, bookings, dub plate sessions, whatever it is, how do they
Yeah,
go
man, you
about
can
doing
find Bonnie General on Instagram, Bonnie General, Twitter, Bonnie General, saying Facebook, Bonnie General. Yeah, man, that's how the whole of my thing them set up.
No number?
You know, you can call Bonnie General at 1-876-346-6485.
Run it again.
1-876-346-6485. And you can link Bonnie General at bonniegeneral.bg@gmail.com. You understand?
Yes.
So all of my link them there. You can link up King Jammies for Bonnie General, same way. Yeah, man.
What Bonnie General favorite rhythm of all time?
My favorite rhythms,
Yeah.
them old rhythm they from back in the days, like Answer, Heavenless. Heavenless, I feel like my record on the most.
I want to say
When I do dub plate.
Ah,
I
dub
mean,
plate, okay, dub.
Dubs, most of my dub them.
Heavenless.
Yeah, because I hit me the full up a class band.
Yeah.
Pam, 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 pam.
Get me that there with you.
Heavenless, it name.
Heavenless, yes.
Yeah, because you know it's a studio one rhythm. Them
Studio one and then lick it back.
Remember back in the days, Johnny has one a song where say, Unite, stop all your fussing and fight. Tell you unite in a Jaja side. But then they play. But then they say, speed it up.
Back and speed it up.
Speed it up differently. Yeah, man.
What is your favorite song where it's not a Bonnie General song?
My favorite song. Oh my God. Because my favorite artist dead too, you know. Michael Jackson.
Michael.
Yeah, sing so much song I love. But you see the youth in Luther Vandross again.
Yes.
Whitney Houston. Love listen to them people. Like.
No one song that stand out among the crowd, Bonnie, man. And that song they sing on a regular, man.
Not really, you know.
Not really.
Not really. I have so much songs I love. I just them in time already.
Yes.
A lot of songs.
For the fans them out there, what you have to leave with them?
Well, all of my fans, them, Bonnie General, this, you know, I'm going to know, say, I am here still working, still recording. If you're not hearing the songs on the radio like that, it's not that I am not working, it's that I don't have no money to give them. So you're not hear the song them I play, I pay to play. So you can download enough of them off of the internet and them thing there.
Digital stores them.
Yeah, digital stores.
Because
I am still working, yeah. Just look out, people. I have so many songs where I know say when I not hear them song there, and I love them because we grew up in the thing now and understand what we are doing. So we are doing positive songs for the world. You understand? But we now get the earplay them where we need. And it's not that we are not sending the songs to the radio station. We just not have no money for send. So that's our problem there. Saying, but we are work same way, people. We not gone no way. We there same way. Yeah, man. I work for no, trust me.
Father Buddy, Mr. Douglas, sir.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks.
Every time, man.
Appreciate the reasoning. Yeah, man, we do the thing for donkey years.
I tell you, man. How much donkey dead and gone. And I get for see no for the years then.
Big boss.
You just know how to Chinese off a donkey. But that's true, man, because they know they're on video.
It's a other brother.
I'll show them and knock them out.
For them thing, man. For them thing. Brother, give thanks. So here, sir.
Bless up every
God
time.
put in the thing. God put in the work and you know what thing. Good music can never die, sir.
Never.
You understand?
Yeah, but when you go to a restaurant,
leave where you not eat.
Leave where you not eat and just
When you see some of young youth, them give them a few pointers and how to perform man, and improve them stagecraft and then sit them, man.
You see, practice become perfect, you know. You understand? And most of them youth are just one thing them are deal with. Dressing, hyping, and cuss about where them a drive or where them own. You know, you hear them a talk about we want to do some better songs and people. We are going to do some real songs for now. And the fans them out there, you can look out for them songs where we come out with edifying towards the world and this and that. And just clothes and vehicle and girl they inquire about. Yeah, closed vehicle girl.
I had to pick that.
Yeah, man. So, as I said, there are so many new artists out there right now where are going good. Some nice songs. Love on a new song, them youth, new youth, them. Big up the whole of the new youth, them. See? Anyone of there, go and eat on the food. Can't stop on the eat on the food. I phone the food. And I can't eat my own, you know. And I can't eat phone one. See? Big up on yourself and do nothing and praise the King, yeah? But love on one another, though. You see that thing they want to have in a dance or one gang over here, sir, and one gang over there, so, and that gang you not deal with that gang there, and that gang they not deal with. And for cut out that virgin. And then do some combination songs. The whole of the eye them and see how the thing get big. You see Beanie and Bounty, over the years how them are war. And you see the other day them just come together and do a thing. And it lock down the whole world. Learn from that and do something from early. And not wait a little late. Just do it from early, youths. May I tell you now. Do nothing and praise the King. Here, big up on yourself.
Big up, boss. Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo. Good morning, people. Long time teach them reach here. All right then. Student come a dance, learn from the teacher. Teach them are the original teacher. Remember what name, you know, teach them. So people, you see the channel teach them. It a deal with positivity, you know, and it a deal with reggae music, dance all for the people them in Jamaica and right around the world. So you see, when you now listen to channel and when you want to hear the real thing what go on in the music, teach them. And that's how the music have to reach them. Remember me tell you, sir. You understand? Just listen. So what? You're wrong for come trouble the general and we never did that trouble you. Teach them, tell them. Come look up before upper class. Come look up before upper class. Me tell them teach them there, yes sir, it are the boss. Tell them general before upper class. Teach them for upper class. I tell them about the general me they bad bit bad and all of them. Tell them teach them. Yes, we have to reach them. When you come to the mic and come to the silent, come to the rhythm and think say teach them there, yes, we have to crown king but general up on them mic attack until the morning because we bad. Teach them. I saw the music, I reach them and straight up. You see it? Check it.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.